Alright guys, godzillamaster525
here. We're here with a fucking Kaiju unboxing video. Instagram edition. Alright. Fucking package time. Open this bitch up. Oh, shit. This is a big one. Big fucking boy! What do we got today? Let us see. Holy shit! What the fuck are those? Holy shit! Oh, I fucking love kaiju figurines. See the fuck that we have. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck! God damn it! It's a fucking lie. Do you see that? Lie. Lie right there. Holy shit. Fuck off. And then we got this cunt right here. Do you see it? Fuck. Clearly fucked this up. God damn. Pretty fucking good. Who gives a shit? These two, my fucking friend, he can fuck off! This smells fucking good. Have you ever smelled vinyl before? Fresh fucking vinyl. Fuck. God damn.